This could be the car for you. The 2023 Nissan Titan. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, four-wheel drive, keyless start, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor. Feel the exhilaration of full-size power in this Titan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.